Hi, this is Linda Morris, and it's already November. Time sure has, well, it's flown and it's not flown here in 2020. Um, so I myself just recommitted to play full out in the Discover Live It eating plan with Vital Balance. So I thought I would just go ahead and share my screen just to remind everybody what this is. And sometimes we have to recommit, fully recommit, like really recommit. And that's what I've decided to do as of yesterday, to playing full out on the Kenzen Vital Balance eating plan. So just to remind everybody, what is Vital Balance? So Nikken sets a bar for the industry. Discover it, live it, share it. Help the global wellness community benefit from KVB, otherwise known as Kenzen Vital Balance. Exceptional formula exclusively from Nikken, just 2 scoops in Mag water, cold Mag water, or unsweetened coconut milk, unsweetened almond milk, unsweetened oat milk. You get to choose. There's even the higher protein, what's it called? Another milk that you can get in the dairy aisle. Actually, it's high protein, low carbohydrates, because we are definitely looking at low carbohydrates. And you're ready for the day. Incomparable, USDA certified organic, vegan, and kosher. So what has improved? Better vanilla flavor, organic medium chain triglycerides, USDA organic certified, reduced sodium, contains biofolate, increased probiotic activity, increased protein content, and increased content of vitamins and minerals. The benefits: designed to help burn fat and build muscle. Plant-based foods benefit the immune system and promote immune activity. That's vitally important. Helps boost metabolism, promotes healthy brain function, and helps eliminate toxins in the body. More benefits: plant-based protein is organic pea, organic rice, and organic chlorella. Natural sources of prebiotics: organic chlorella, organic cashew fiber, and organic wire gum. Organic MCTs from coconut milk help support cognitive sharpness and help to burn fat and regulate appetite. Organic chlorella and organic cilantro help the body's own detoxifying system. Meal replacement shakes are difficult to certify as organic because there are too many expensive ingredients. Therefore, cheap fillers are commonly used. The previous formula, already largely organic certified, was already one of the best in the market. So the new ingredients and their benefits: biofolate, healthy alternative to folic acid, essential in production of neurotransmitters, brain food. Natural folate found in dark green leafy veggies, oranges, broccoli, cauliflower, etc. Organic monk fruit and organic stevia, plant-based sweeteners. In fact, I even forget that this has organic stevia in it, because it's that the latest generation of stevia that actually tastes good. And I am so sensitive to these sweeteners, and I don't even know it's in there. So that means they did a really good job of putting just in the right amount. 0 calories added. There's nothing artificial. Stevia is known to help balance blood sugar, recommended by dietitians for diabetics. Replaces regular sugar or artificial sweeteners. Monk fruit, known as the longevity fruit, high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Increase probiotic activity. Add good gut bacteria with food or supplements. New KVB formula is 2.4 CFU billion per serving. Other fermented foods with probiotics are yogurt, kimchi, kombucha, sauerkraut, pickles, natto, miso, etc. So looking at the previous amount that we had in our KVB is under 500, and now it's almost what, 2,500 is 2,400 billion per serving. That's extraordinary. That's exciting. Increased vitamins. So we show the previous formulas on the left, new formulas on the right. Vitamin C, it's now at 50%. Vitamin E, it's 53%. B2, it's 54%. B3, 50%. B7 50% plus D2, K1, and B5. So Kenzen Vital Balance, it is too good not to share. And, you know, a lot of times we end up waiting to share. Oh, let me try it out first. Okay. Oh, there's a cat in my background. That would be Jada. So this one is thicker, it's creamier, and occasionally I was putting in 3 scoops, so I'd have 30 grams of protein. This is too thick, actually. I had to start mixing it with the, I put the Nikken Pie Mag water in the refrigerator so it's cold, because I usually make it with unsweetened coconut milk. So now I do like 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1 cup of the Nikken Pie Mag water, because I found it was a little too thick, and you have to drink it a little quicker. You have to keep the, you know, the container. Usually I'm using it in one of these. I keep it moving so it doesn't, actually it's not settling in the bottom. I hadn't noticed that till right now. But this is how large a container I use, because just 1 cup, it's doesn't fill me up, whereas the 2 cups definitely fills me up. If I'm getting ready to go to Zumba class or, you know, to work out, I might reduce it down a little bit to like 1.5 cups of a liquid. Otherwise, don't want that much sloshing around when you're working out. So let's go look at something else about this. I'm going to go to Nikken's website, the shopping cart, and it's 28 to 30 meals is $89. That's normal retail. And if you think about it, to have 30 meals of organic food, each meal is $3. Where else can you do that to be totally organic for $3? That's unheard of. It's just amazing. And especially like here in Florida, it seems to still be hurricane season. We have a tropical storm headed our way right now. You know, a whole container of this, you could live on this in the Pie Mag water, the Nikken Pie Mag filtered water that you filter without electricity. And you have food, you know, whether you're traveling around in your car because you have to, or you're at home. This is amazing. $3 a meal. So Kenzen Vital Balance meal replacement is designed to help burn fat, help manage weight, build muscle, boost metabolism, promote healthy brain function, and eliminate toxins in the body. Our formula contains pre and probiotics to assist in digestive and immune system activity for people of all ages. This formula contains 2.4 billion CFU, colony forming units of probiotics per serving. Naturally sourced protein from organic pea, organic rice, and organic chlorella help promote the formation of lean muscle mass without the high levels of saturated fat and calories associated with animal protein. Medium chain triglycerides sourced exclusively from coconut milk serve as brain food to support cognitive sharpness and to assist in burning fat, boosting metabolism, and regulating the appetite. Biofolate, as added, is an essential helper to promote neurotransmitters. It's truly food for action and food for thought. Sweetened with 0-calorie organic monk fruit and organic stevia, there's nothing artificial in the formula, making KVB exceptional in the industry. Once again, it's USDA certified organic, helps burn fat, helps with weight management, helps boost metabolism. Organic MCTs and biofolate are brain food. Who doesn't need that in the morning or the afternoon even? Helps eliminate toxins, supports efficient digestion, promotes immune system activity. Everybody in the world needs that right now. Natural vitamins and minerals, gluten-free, no fillers. These statements, of course, have never been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration because it's not a drug. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. As a meal replacement, add 2 level scoops of KVB powder to 8 ounces of Pie Mag water, unsweetened coconut milk, almond milk, the higher quality high protein milk that's lower fat, or other beverage, and blend and shake. Store in a dry place at room temperature, 90-day shelf life after opening. And on retail, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So here is the label. If you want to see the label, it's working on opening actually. But I love this shake. You can actually add like cinnamon to it, nutmeg. Some people are adding cacao powder to it, otherwise known as chocolate powder. But a lot of really great ingredients. So it's so much more than a meal. Let me just read this off really quick. Organic pea protein, organic rice protein, organic coconut milk, medium chain triglycerides, organic natural vanilla flavor, organic moringa, vitamin mineral blend, try magnesium citrate, calcium citrate, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, glutamate, rice hulls, vitamin B3, ferrous fumarate, manganese glutamate, vitamin D, D-calcium panthenate, which is B5, copper glutamate, B7, sodium selenate, vitamin K1, beta carotene, B6, B1, B2, B12, chromium picolinate, organic wire gum, organic chlorella, cilantro, organic monk fruit extract, organic tapioca maltodextrin. That actually coats the enzymes to keep them alive. That's the importance of that. Organic stevia. It has protease, all of the good probiotics and digestive enzymes, because if you don't have digestive enzymes in it, your body may not break it down. So that's really important with these ingredients. Organic alfalfa, organic spirulina, organic broccoli, organic akashi fiber, organic spinach, biofolate. It does have tree nuts as coconuts, actually. Coconut is a tree nut. So anyway, let me stop sharing that. And we have an eating plan. So I'm going to share my screen once again and go to my personal website, which is here somewhere. Okay, this is vitalenergytips.com. That's my website. Down here, I have the eating plan. And that is what I put myself back on yesterday. 2020 has been a very weird year. And, in some aspects, we haven't been as healthy as we normally are because of all the craziness going on in the world. So I myself decided to put myself back on here. And here is the Vital Balance diet plan. If you click on the home/curb your sugar link, you'll be able to see the eating plan. And you can print it off. If you need me to email it to me, just let me know. But it talks about cutting out sugar, fruits, grains, and carbohydrates for 7 days will curb your sugar cravings. The first 7 days are the hardest. And, Halloween was just last week. And I have Halloween candy. And last night, after a healthy chicken, and let's see, what else did I make? I made zucchini, squash. And sometimes you just want that little bit of sweetness and one of those little tiny candy bars. But I'm like, you know what? No, my treat is my clothes fitting the way I like them to fit. So once that happens, that will be my treat. My treat is not going to be sugar of any kind. It's not going to be these, sugar, fruit, juice, grains, beans. I found amazing high fiber bread, but you know what? I'm not doing yeast products right now. So even it's only 2 grams of carbs, nope, no grains is on the list. So I'm playing full in. Anybody else wants to join me? Just 7 days at a time. You can do anything for 7 days if you make up your commitment that you really are. And that's what I've done. So I was kind of proud of myself. Nope, my treat is all of my clothes for winter, because in the winter you're more confined. You have to wear pants. Florida, we wear a lot of dresses. Gary, I know you don't wear any dresses. You only wear pants. Sorry. But protein only means no sugar, no fruit, no juice, no grains, no beans, no starch. Protein can be eggs, meat, fish, cheese, like feta cheese, the sheep's cheese. Those are really want to stay away from dairy as much as possible because that kind of clogs everything up. Nuts I have on here mostly for vegetarians and vegans. On the original plan, there were no nuts, so I'm going to be nut free this week. Hemp and also seeds. And before noon, protein only breakfast, Kenzen Vital Balance. And I did it in water this morning. You can add a raw egg that you trust. That would add another 6 grams of protein, and it emulsifies it. If you think about it, ice cream, that's contains raw eggs for people that are worried about a raw egg. You don't have to do it. It's just an option. Eggs and or meats also for breakfast. 1 cup of coffee or tea with cream. And I bought the lactose-free cream. I do like a little cream in my coffee. And they even have sugar-free creamers. So that's an option. If you're like me and you're used to doing that creamer, they have sugar-free. Lunch. Of course, you can do the Vital Balance any time of day. It can even be a snack. But I actually got Napa cabbage because that actually lasts for like 3 or 4 days, opposed to regular lettuce that tends to go bad like in a day. And you can put lemon juice, spices, olive oil. You can do meat protein. I actually combine tuna salad and egg salad together to put on top. And then you don't even need dressing. When I'm doing that, I do take one of Nikken's digestive enzymes. It's built into the Vital Balance, but when you're eating other food, just to make sure your body's breaking it down, take a digestive enzyme. A dinner, 7 ounces seafood, chicken, turkey, beef, or 2 or 3 eggs with vegetables. That's a healthy dinner. Once again, digestive enzymes. A snack can be the Vital Balance with unsweetened coconut flakes and toasted almonds and ice cubes. I have that recipe on this website. That's Barbara Bertucci's recipe. You can have a cup of soup. You can have the tuna snack packs or edamame. Edamame is a great snack. You're proactive as you split open the pod, and it's all protein. It's perfect protein, actually. Celery or other vegetables with peanut or almond butter. So this whole eating plan is on here. There's an unlimited list of vegetables that you can have. There's some that are restricted because they're a little bit higher carbs. Those are allowed twice a week. And there's other tips. So this is all on vitalenergytips.com. I do have some recipes on here and additional information. So if you are a friend or a family member, a client, wants to do this plan on this page, I also have, there's Barbara's recipe for the ice cream, ginger root tea, something else to drink. Oh, I still have the Siaga flat belly tea. We can use that with the Siaga powder now. Chia seed flat belly tea. Chia seeds, they expand, they fill you up when you put them in water. And here's some additional ideas and recipes. Here's my famous butternut squash soup. Chia seed pudding, I made that a couple days ago too. It tastes like tapioca, only it's, what is it? Very, very low carbohydrates. So lots of different ideas. I haven't made these almond butter breads, to be honest with you. I haven't done that. This frozen chocolate mousse, this is later down the road. It's a higher protein dessert. So, maybe for Thanksgiving or Christmas. That way you can have your dessert, and it's mostly eggs. The only sugar in here that I ever put in here is from the very dark chocolate chips that you grind up in your Vitamix. So anyway, this is information on the new Vital Balance eating plan that's featuring the newest generation of Vital Balance. So discover it, try it, live it, and get even healthier. That's my input for the day. Thank you.